Hi everybody, Russ from Pro Steam here, and once again we have been asked to strip, clean and seal, or reseal I should say, this Antico. This floor has been down since 2001, and the customer, even though the customer has been maintaining this floor using exactly the right products, the Antico products, it's as you can see here, in the grain we've got a lot of dirt, okay, and no matter what she uses on the floor, it just will not remove the dirt. And just to give you guys an idea of exactly how it should look, here's a brand new tile, okay, so that's exactly how it should look. So we are going to strip the floor. We're going to start in this room here. This is the lounge, okay. We are going to clean a portion, or half, let's say, strip and clean half, and then what I'm hoping for is a line across there so we can see a big difference. So we'll come back to this in a little bit. Okay, so we've just stripped this part of the floor here, and as you can see there is quite a remarkable difference here. It's to a 50-50, so that kind of gives you a better understanding of how different the flooring looks. Now it's been stripped, you're going to carry on throughout, getting that done. But as you can see, there we go, got this, yeah, so we've got a line. Right, that's the cleaning done, and obviously this area here hasn't been done, so you can see there's quite a big difference. The floor is really bright now. Now we've removed the seal, and the seal was actually holding a lot of the dirt that was that had stuck to the seal and obviously dried over the years. So we've done all down there. Okay, so the next stage, we're going to apply our secure hard seal. I'm going to get one coat down and then allow that to dry, and then we'll give it another coat. And what that will do is it will enhance the colour, especially around here. When you see those dark colours there, it will really make them pop. Right, that's the job complete. So we've applied 2 coats of secure hard seal on this floor. Okay, so that's going to take 24 hours to cure. It's touch dry at the moment, so if I stand back here, and you can actually see that looks really, really lovely, really nice. When you compare that to the floor that's kind of awaiting cleaning, can you see how dirty it is? So we're going to come back in a couple of days' time, because the customer's going to move all the furniture from this part of the room into that area there to allow access to the floor here. Right, today we return back to the job we were doing a few days back, and today we are going to deep clean, strip and reseal this kitchen and also this dining room. Now the other day we couldn't get to this area here because all the furniture from the lounge was in this area here, so everything's been shifted over to allow access to this room. So again, this flooring has a lot of dirt that's ingrained on the surface there, and we're going to remove all that, and then seal this area and also the kitchen. Well, we come to the end of this job now, and so I'm stood in the lounge area, and now we're looking at the area that I've just cleaned and sealed, and we've managed to blend the seal in with no noticeable marks or need to use any masking tape at all. So that's looking really good. And so give it 24 hours, this floor will be ready to have all the furniture replaced. And like I said earlier in the video, we do give our customers overshoes to wear during the curing process, which is 24 hours. Okay, the floor is touch dry usually within about half an hour, but it's only kind of resistant to abrasion and spillages after 24 hours. Now, if you walk through this way here, we have a kitchen area, and the tiles were really dirty in this area, so we managed to remove all the seal and all the dirt from this area here, and we put 2 coats of secure hard seal down. Okay, it's looking really nice, really bright. Okay, and I think the customer's going to be really pleased with that. This area here, we managed to seal just up to that area there, so the 2 areas blend really nice. Right, there we have it. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, then please email us, info@prosteepuk.com. If you'd like a free estimate, just drop us an email or give us a ring, and we will be happy to give you an estimate. And thanks very much indeed for watching this video.